Hello, I'm Jack, and I have a long history of visual problems, starting with a botched LASIK surgery a number of years ago, followed by detached retina, followed by a very severe case of cataracts. And for a long time I felt there was little hope of finding someone who could really deal with that complex set of issues. Fortunately, my optometrist was familiar with Dr. Gulani, had witnessed an almost miraculous change in one of his patients that he'd sent to Dr. Gulani, and suggested that I call Dr. Gulani for a consultation. I will say that I found Dr. Gulani to be a most unusual physician in that he takes much more personal interest in your situation than many doctors do. And rather than compartmentalizing your problems into just one or two or three categories, he looks at the full scope of them and designs solutions that will not only fix the specific problems you're aware that you have, but also leave you with much better vision as a result. And I have now known Dr. Gulani for approximately 4 years. I've had 2 surgeries performed by him, a number of follow-up visits, and I'll have to say that he is the most extraordinary doctor I've ever dealt with. I am extremely happy with the outcome of my procedures and would, without reservation, recommend Dr. Gulani to anyone who has vision issues. One of the procedures that Dr. Gulani performed for me was cataract surgery. He actually told me after the cataract surgery on my first eye that it was one of the worst cataracts he had ever removed from anyone. I was virtually blind in that eye. And then later, of course, we did the surgery on the second eye. What was impressive to me is that I'd had far less than 20/20 vision before the cataract surgery. As part of the cataract surgery, he inserted multifocal lenses in both eyes, and I came out of the surgery with 20/20 vision. Again, just his approach to finding an overarching solution to the total complexity of your vision issues is very impressive and most unusual. Other doctors I've dealt with tend to focus on 1 or 2 specific problems, but they don't design a program for the entirety of your vision issues, which Dr. Gulani does, and he just takes a personal interest in you that is most unusual.